Hello, you guys. That's a weird way to. I don't know why that was so weird to me. That's okay. Yeah. Hello, you guys. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am SimplyyBreon. Don't know why I am talking like that. Anyways, if you are new here, welcome. Welcome. You are welcomed. Hope you enjoy your stay here. Anyways, today I'm going to give you this little cranberry look. The eye that I did on camera did not turn out as well as the eye that I did off camera. Somehow, usually that never happens. Usually it's the complete opposite. But for some reason it happened this time. But you know what it is, Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, hey, my dogs are out there tripping. Anyways, also don't forget to subscribe. All right, I'm watching. I'm kidding. No, I am not everybody's vibe. Everyone is not my vibe. If our vibes don't mesh, don't subscribe. Because non-meshing vibes is a weird thing. And you get weird vibes everywhere, okay? We don't like weird vibes. No weird vibes around here. No bad vibes. Anyways, hope you like this. I hope you Anyways, I hope that you like this video. Alright, so yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video because intros and outros, not my skill. Not my best setup. I have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 lights up right now. Because look at this bullshit. look at this light right here. I don't know what happened. I don't know how it happened, but it happened. Alright, so first I'm just going to set my lid using the Photofocus concealer, Wet n Wild. I'm just gonna blend that out. How is you guys' day going? Mine is, it's actually going better than I expected. Going a lot better. I slept most of it though, so you know. But I did get a video out today and I'm recording a new one. Told you guys. I'm more committed this time. I'm sorry if you guys can hear her conversation. For some reason my mom talks really loudly. Anyways, so now I'm gonna apply some tape because I need a guide, because I can't make straight lines to save my life. Apparently I can't get tape off to save my life either. I just well, okay. Hey. I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe. I used this in my last video. It's okay though. And I am going to take, I'm going to take Jack's right here. Can you see that? I hope so. I'm just going to pack that on. I did not set the base of my lid because it allows for better pigment. And you know, when you're brown skinned, pigment will disappear highly quickly. I don't understand why. I don't know what problem that they have with us brown skins. They will either disappear or change color. I don't know what kind of magical shit that is. I don't like it though. I'm not here for it. I will say that this shade on my eyelid is not the same as it is in the palette, but I actually do like it. Well, it doesn't seem the same. It's close. With the lighting, it's more similar, but with not as good lighting, it didn't seem like this. This seems more of a burgundy, whereas in the palette, it seems more of a red. But I'm not gonna lie, it actually looks better on my eyelid than it does in the pan. I was gonna say palette, but then I changed halfway through. That's why it sounded like that. I'm sorry. So yeah, we're just gonna blend that shade out. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, I think I was saying something about how this looks a lot better on my skin tone than it does in the palette. You know, brown skin for the win. Alright, so now I'm just going to take a wet flat brush. I'm gonna go back into this palette. I'm going to take the shade Cran Apple. Maybe. Okay. Obviously, I don't know my directions. Boop, boop, boop. Right there. There you go. And I'm just going to apply that to the lid. This is such a pretty shape. There's no reason for it to be this beautiful. Alright, so now I'm just going to apply some BH Cosmetics glitter liner. They don't have it anymore, so there's not really no need for me to tell you guys the shade. We should have done the liner first, but it's okay. I always do liner first before the glitter because glitter tends to affect the what's the word? Not the detail, but the texture of the liner. I don't like that. Not one bit. I'm going to go back into Crayon Apple and I'm just going to apply that on top of it. That way it kind of blends in. Boom. Oh, okay. I kind of messed up, so I'm just making it a little bigger because, yeah. But it's Gucci though. No big deal. Maybe I should have used a smaller brush, but it's okay. You live and you learn. Philosophy. All right, so now I'm just going to apply some eyeliner. Dude, there is literally, every time, it's always weave somewhere. And I'm just gonna create a wing liner today. I honestly used to be able to freehand a wing like nobody's business. But for some reason, I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on. I think I got old. Maybe I should just stop touching it, but okay. Oh, okay. Maybe. These are not, okay. Well, we tried. Yeah. These are not the same at all. Anyways, I am going to apply some lashes. Burp, burp. Today I will be using the Kiss lashes in Splendor. This is their Luxe line, something like that. Something along those lines. You know what? I'm sorry if I keep hitting the mic. I'm trying out new things. Yeah. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying. I really am. But you live and you learn. Alright, I'm gonna apply some mascara under here to get them to blend in. Or at least try to. But since nothing in my life is ever together, I don't know why this would work. Well, I think I'm done with my eyes. So I'm going to apply my foundation, all that fun stuff, and I'll be back for the other stuff. The other stuff. Moo. Moo. Cows go moo. Okay, I'll be back. Boop. My face is confused. Okay, my face is very confused right now. I'm confused right now. I don't get what's happening. I tried new methods with my foundation and it wasn't working out. So, you know, this is where we're at. I mean, it's okay. That's very displeasing. Nothing was going well in that time that I was away. Nothing went well. Everything was just a complete struggle, but it is okay. Anyways, I feel like I put foundation on my neck and didn't blend it out, but at this point I don't even care anymore. It's okay. Anyways, I guess we're gonna apply some blush. We gotta speed this up because it's getting rough very quickly. So I'm just going to apply my GALifornia blush by Benefit, and I have hair in my eyeballs. I don't get it. I don't understand. I'm gonna try to blend that in maybe a little bit. What is happening here? I have a lot of questions to myself, but it's okay. I like to try different techniques every time I do my makeup to see what works, see if I like things better than previous ones. And this one, I don't like it. Alright, so now I'm going to spritz my face. My e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set Spray. I'm going to apply my highlighter, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm going to go in with that glow. If I can get... Okay. Yep. I'm just up here getting hit in the face with packaging. It's fine. I don't know what I ever did to it for it to decide to abuse me. But, you know, I mean, I guess it is what it is. And I start with the golden bronze. I don't know what I called it before. But yeah, I started with the golden bronze because I'm going to go back over it with the Amrezy. I use that one because it's closer to my skin tone. Whereas Amrezy is actually kind of light. Alright, I'm going to spread my face one more time. Alright, I'm just going to add a little bit of the BadGAL Bang Mascara to my lower lash line. Okay, so this is the Huda Beauty Material Girl liquid lipstick. Didn't know where I was going with that. Alright, so now that this is done, I guess. Whatever we got going here, now that it's done, I guess I'm going to go and we'll get the rest of my life together, you know? Fix my hair, put on a non-sweatshirt shirt. So I shall return. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, this is the final look. I really hope you guys okay, alright. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look tutorial, this video, something like that. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. You know, if you like my vibe. If you don't, it's fine. Not everybody's vibe. Everyone is not my vibe. So, you know, it's perfectly fine. I understand. I get it. I get it. But, you know, if I am, then it'd be nice if you did subscribe. Anyways, I hope that you guys are having a great night or great day wherever you are. And yeah, have a great rest of your day. I think that's a good way to end it. Boom. I'm going to bring you B+ quality videos because I clearly have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm just going to go into something in my eyeball. Okay, hold up. Chill. Alright, so that is a lot. That could have scratched my cornea. Alright. I don't think he realized how loud he is. Ma'am! Chill. It's long and one is thick. My face need a better moisturize. Moisturizer. Face need a better moisturizer. Cows go moo. Yes, they do. They do go moo. Hopefully you guys knew that cows go moo.